Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge. You mostly make a plan for dinner outside with your friends and family. When you reach a restaurant and sometimes you become very confused with words that are spoken usually more in there. Today I am going to tell the most used words in restaurant. Without further delay, let's get started. First one, appetizer starter. An appetizer, also known as a starter, is a small dish served at the beginning of a meal to stimulate the appetite and get you ready for a meal. Now second, dessert. A dessert is something sweet such as a fruit, pastry or ice cream that you eat at the end of a meal. Now next one, main course or entry. A main course is a primary dish in a meal consisting of the several courses. It is usually served after appetizer or a starter and before dessert, and it's intended to satisfy and fulfilling the appetite of the dinner. In the United States, it may be called a entry. Now next one, special dish. A special menu is a limited time menu that features dishes that are not part of the regular menu. Special menus are usually created to celebrate a specific occasion. Now next term, reservation. Reservations are a arrangement guests make in advance to confirm a table for their party at a specific time. Now next, bill or a check. A bill is a piece of paper showing how much money you must pay for a meal in a restaurant. In America, it is called a check. Now let's move on next term, beverage or a cold drink. Refreshing drinks served alongside a meal, including a soft drinks, juicy, water, tea, coffee or alcoholic beverages. Now next one, buffet. It is a meal for which different foods are placed on a table so that you can serve yourself. Mostly the restaurant offer the breakfast in a buffet style. Now chef. Someone whose job is cooking food and planning menus at a restaurant is a chef. Now condiments. A condiment is a substance such as salt, pepper or a mustard that you add to food when you eat it in order to improve the flavor. Now cutlery. These are utensils as knife, forks and spoon used at the table for serving and eating a food. Now next one, host and hostess. A host or hostess is the first person to meet a guest when they enter a restaurant, and he takes their reservation or puts them on a waiting list, gives them menus and shows them to their seats. They may also handle phone calls and customer queries about the restaurant and menu, and assist various restaurant staff when necessary. Now next term, takeout. A takeout is a store or a restaurant which sell hot cooked food that you eat somewhere else. For example, when you order food from a restaurant but eat it at a home, you can call it takeout. Now menu. A menu is a list of food and beverages from which you can choose and eat in a restaurant. Now set menu. Set menu is a menu with items that cannot be changed. The price charged for each meal is the same. Now kids menu. A kids menu refers to a dedicated menu designed specifically for children. A la carte. A la carte is a French term that means on the card or by the card. The term is often used to refer to a menu or a list of items that can be ordered separately rather than as a part of a set or a package. Napkin. A napkin is a square of cloth or paper tissue used at the table for wiping the mouth and fingers while eating. It is also sometimes used as a bib by tucking it into the shirt collar. Now next term, tip. If you give a tip to someone such as a waiter in a restaurant, That means you give them some money to thank them for their services. Now next term, vegan. A vegan food is based on plants and foods made from plants. Vegan don't eat foods that come from animals, including dairy products and eggs. Now next one, vegetarian. Vegetarian food is based on food that meets vegetarian standards by not including meat and animal tissue products. Next one, waiter or a waitress. A waiter or a waitress is a person who works in a restaurant and serving people food and drink. He and she clear the empty tables and led them for dinner. Now next one, BYO. BYO stand for bring your own, and it means that you can bring your own wine or beer to a restaurant. That means you don't have to purchase from the restaurant crafted wine list, and it's often a cheaper option. Now next term, corkage. Corkage refers to the price some restaurants will charge for opening and serving the BYO drinks. Now next one, sommelier. A wine expert or specialist who assists in selecting and recommending wines to complete the meal. Now next one, cocktail. A cocktail is an alcoholic mixed drink or non-alcoholic mixed drink. Most commonly, a cocktail is a combination of one or more spirit mixed with another ingredient such as juicy, flavored syrups, tonic water, syrups and bitters. Now next one, side dishes. It is an extra dish of food, for example vegetables or a salad, that is served with the main dish on a separate plate. Now next one, seafood. Seafood refers to small edible animals which come from the water such as fish, shrimp or oyster. Now next one, roasted. Food cooked in a oven or over an open flame until the browned and cooked through. Now seasonal. Foods that is available during a specific time of the year when it's at its peak freshness. Now next, taste, simmered. Food cooked gently over a low heat in a liquid, allowing the flavors to melt. Now next one, spicy. Food that has a strong and pungent flavor from the use of spices or hot peppers. Now next one, soury. Food that is flavorful and not sweet. Now next, taste, sweet. Food that is a sugary or a dessert-like in a taste. Now next, taste, sour. Food that has a tangy or acidic taste, often from citrus or a vinegar. Bitter. Food that has a sharp and unpleasant taste, such as dark chocolate or certain vegetables. Now next one, mild. Food that has a subtle and gentle flavor, not spicy or overpowering. Now next one, crispy. Food that is crunchy and well cooked on the outside. Now next one, rare. Food, particularly meat, cooked for a short time to retain a pink or a red center. Now next one, medium. Food, particularly meat, cooked to a moderate level of doneness, usually with a slightly pink center. Now juicy type. Food, particularly meat, that is moist and full of flavor. Now next term, gluten-free. Food that doesn't contain protein. It's suitable for those with dietary restriction. Now next one, grilled. Food cooked over a direct heat, often resulting in a char marks. Now fried. Food cooked in a hot oil until crispy and golden. Now next one, marinated. Food soaked in a seasonal liquid to enhance the flavor and tenderness. Through this video, you have learned all useful words that you will need when eating at a restaurant. These terms provide the tools you need to understand the menu, order food, describe your preferences, and engage with the wait staff effectively. In this way, you make your restaurant visit more enjoyable and satisfying. Bye bye, take care. We will meet soon with another interesting topic. Till then, keep watching Knowledge. Like the video, share this video and don't forget subscribe this channel. You can also visit the Knowledge by following the other platforms.